This is who I'm currently hanging out with. It's a penguin thermometer, so things are going great. Hi guys, it's Bella and welcome back to my channel. I know I look so dead right now. I literally just woke up. It is 8 a.m. and I am in Florida right now with my family and my grandparents. So yeah, I thought I would do a little week in my life for you guys. I'm probably gonna do it in 2 parts because we're gonna have a lot of content going on here. I'm talking really quietly because everyone's asleep, so let's get this day started. So I thought I would show you guys my room. So this is the bed, and I have a little nightstand, some cute little pictures. I have my computer down there on this toy chest thing. They're like full of stuffed animals. It was here when we got here. And then a closet. It's really dark in here, but I just hung up some of my clothes that might get wrinkly, some shoes, you really cannot see at all. And I put my swimsuits and all that kind of stuff up there. And then these are just like my clothes that might get wrinkly, and my backpack and some shoes. Send me, I know you. Send me, darling, you. Guys, this is the outside. It is the best part. We have a pool in this thingy with 2 televisions. I don't know why that's necessary, but it is apparently. Okay, so I still look insane. We had breakfast and went outside, and it's so nice and warm. I love it so much. I was doing like yoga and stuff like next to the pool because I don't know, I was just inclined to do it, and so I did. Anyway, I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm gonna get ready, and I really have no idea what we're doing today. Probably we're gonna go to like TJ Maxx or something because I don't have any sandals and I need some face wash and stuff. So yeah, oh my god, the lighting is so nice. Let's go. I just finished my makeup. I love this highlighter so much. It's so pretty. But yeah, I look a lot better, so that's a start. Yes, I am standing in the bathtub. The things you do for good lighting. So yeah, I'm still really not sure what we're doing today, but I'm ready for whatever it is, I guess. So yeah. That's a good shot. Darling, you send me. I know you. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. I really needed this really badly. Oh my god, these are so cute. I sucked this coffee down so quickly. Ooh. So we just got home from shopping. It took us so long and my phone died. So yeah, anyway, we're back. We just went to Target and TJ Maxx. I really didn't get anything basically. I just got some face wash from TJ Maxx because I couldn't bring any on the plane. It is an apricot scrubble. Oh my god, I love the name. So I'm gonna use this tonight. And then I got this huge thing of aloe vera gel because your girl burns like a crisp in the sun. So I'm basically gonna use this entire thing on this trip. So I have been put in charge of making dinner, but it's okay because it basically consists of heating up already cooked chicken and this marvelous Costco salad. So I think I can handle it because like I can cook, but I'm just really not feeling like cooking right now. So let's open up this baby right here. I'm gonna spill this everywhere, just watch. I spilled some onions. It's fine. I don't know if oh my god. Hey guys, it's Tuesday and I look terrible again because I just woke up, so let's not talk about that. Anyway, today it's gonna like rain and thunderstorm, so love that. So basically today we're gonna go to museums and like a big mall, I think. So we're gonna go to the Dolly Museum, which is probably gonna be really fun, and then we might go to like a big mall, which would be nice because I still don't have any sandals or like things that you need. I'm sunburned, that's why I look so weird right now. Oh my god. Anyway, that's the plan. But first I have to do homework because I'm on vacation and I have to do school. So I'm so stressed out. I know vacations are supposed to be relaxing, but you can always count on school to freaking ruin it for you. This is what I'm gonna wear today. This is a bodysuit, and then I just have this like kind of tweed little houndstooth skirt situation, which I love so much, and I kind of will look like a secretary, but like I just love it, so I'm just gonna go with it. And then my extremely disgusting Adidas sneakers because I still don't have any other shoes. So yeah, hopefully I can get some when we go shopping today. We're here at the Dolly Museum. It's raining. This looks so cool. This room is so cool. This is so cool. Look at this walls and the ceiling has clouds on it. This is so cool.
This is so cool. Oh my god.
This looks so delicious. Rainbow crosswalk alert. Wow.
Nice little building. Oh, this is the place,
No,
man.
stop focusing on the raindrops. Oh, I'm in H&M right now because we just drove to the mall after going to the museum, and I have some things. So if I buy anything, I will show you guys when I get home. They have swimsuits here now? Interesting. We're in the grocery store right now and we're getting some stuff for dinner. Basically all we've gotten so far is mochi ice cream, so.
Ooh, get 4 of those.
This looks so good.
Yeah, that way then we can all get it.
Today's Wednesday. So we're just like sitting by the pool and we're gonna do like go to like a garden or something, but we decided not to. So yeah, we're just gonna sit by this pool, chill out. I've been doing homework for like 3 hours, which sucks, and I hate that. Here is an awkward montage of random things that we do today because I don't really know what else to do. But yeah, let's do that. Also, my swimsuit is from Shade and Shore, I think it's called, and it's really cute. It has lemons on it. Wow, my drink matches my swimsuit. Fake sugar. This is who I'm currently hanging out with. It's a penguin thermometer, so things are going great.
Yo, what's up, diggity dogs? Give me a high five.
No, thank you. He's following me. Haha, psych, we did go somewhere. It's Trader Joe's. Ice cream sandwiches? Yes. That? I don't know what it is, but yes. So guys, we just got home from Trader Joe's. We got some mochi ice cream, which I'm really excited to eat. But yeah, I think this is going to be the end of this little... It's like a week in my life, but I think I'm doing like 2 parts. So this is the end of part 1. Hopefully I get my act together and actually do act 2, but you know, act 2, part 2. Anyway, yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to like it down below and subscribe to my channel. That'd be awesome. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!